cincin po.
Sa palamigan.
Alam mo yung parang pag ginagat mo eh.
Yung ano, cart. Yung cart. Yan!
Yung briny.
Pwede na. Yan! Ganyan! Dito na po. Oh, nakita niyo po yung sigalapate. Ayan, pauwi na kami. Bumili kami ng
Palamig.
palamig! Gusto niyo guys? Pambata to guys! Yeah! Natakot ako kung pumutok. Mataba ako eh. Lalo kung bago to, mas maganda itong kinalan. Sige, gito. Hi guys! Ang aking buto-buto. Na-exercise ngayon. For how many years? How very long ago? Yay! Siguro nakapag-bike ako high school ngayon. Gurang na. 20 years. May ano dito, bilyaran guys. Ito ang aming lugar guys. Parang di na ako makaampos guys.
Tuwan-tuwa.
Brang, sa'yo yun doon? Yung dalawang bilyaran?
Malapit lang sa aming bahay ang Pure Gold po dito. Pure Gold, oh. Sobrang lapit dito sa aming bahay. Oh. Ayan, ayan si Kuya. Oh, look, dito pa yung lugar namin. Oh. Huh? Wow. Tingnan lang natin yung jack. Oh. First time ko makamanood sa ganito. Ayan. Pure Gold. Grabing pinagbago ng San Isidro. Sobra. Ayan si Chinkin. May baby girl. Pila po dito papasok. So sobrang dami ng tao. Wala nang kahit. Daming tao. Balloon. Dito po, kadami dito yung tao. Tapos nagsingit po kami ni Buboy kasi tapos wala na pong card. Ubus na po lahat. Papasok pa yan. Alauna. Jen?
I want to cook fish.
You like fish?
I like it.
Wow, is it delicious?
The white birds.
Okay, and then? Hi guys.
Hi guys, cooking water fish. Yummy cooking water fish. Wait. Okay, now. Oh, good. You see that?
Very good.
And I see that fish. So many, the 3 fish.
How many fish?
There's two bus train or. Look. So yummy.
Malapit lang sa aming bahay ang Pure Gold po dito. Tabi ka dumana. Bigyan natin si Kuya na. Ito po kami ngayon ni Buboy sa Talipapa po. Ito po yung malaking bilihan ng mga laruan pambata. Ayan si Chinchin. What you like, Chinchin? Ha? Dito si Chinchin, oh. Basta pupunta po kami dito sa Talipapa, sasabihin niya sa akin, Ma'am, this way. Ano? Oop. Ano, what you want? Excavator? Small, bebe, yung small excavator, it's okay. This one? Ha? Ano? Ano na? Ano na? Kami dito sa loob. Ano? Ha? What you want? That's okay na, can simple. It's okay. Ask them how much. How much is this book? What color you want? Orange? Yeah.
It's a yellow.
Oh, come here. Ask to them. Sir, how much is this? Ate, ay, si ano pala to? Kasi mainit. Napakainit. Maglalaro. Asan yung excavator mo na? Where's your excavator?
There are
Yes! Wow! What color is your excavator?
yellow. It's a color.
Yellow, and then what else? What color?
Uncle Kirsten. It's a color.
Oh! Beautiful excavator!
This is so small.
Yeah, that's too small. Tomorrow, bukas, may pasok ka na. Going to school tomorrow, yes? You like going to school?
Yes.
Very good.
Mama, watch your goats.
Okay. Maglalaro. Asan yung excavator mo na? Where's your excavator?
There are
Yes! Wow! What color is your excavator?
yellow. It's a color.
Yellow, and then what else? What color?
Uncle Kirsten. It's a color.
Oh! Beautiful excavator!
This is so small.
Yeah, that's too small.